Alright, scrappers, I come across these little calculators all the time. There's a million of them out there. People usually just throw these away. That's where I found mine. But these things are pretty easy to scrap. Hit boobies. Alright, this is how we scrap one of these. A little piece of circuit board. And that's about it right there. Oh, they screwed this one in pretty good. Low grade board. It's like, why pay to throw it away when you can get paid to throw it away? There's barely even any board there. So, just remember guys, scrap is everywhere. All you gotta do is find it, sort it, and hoard it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.